Hey guys, please make sure to stand till the end. We'll share some very helpful advice that if you don't follow you may end up spending thousands of dollars in future repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you having a BMW guys. We're talking about almost any BMW with gasoline or diesel engine, even a plug-in hybrid. You want to know guys, what are the symptoms of bad valve cover gasket? Well, today we're going to explain that in this video step by step. We'll talk about the common symptoms that we see, what to expect and how if not fixed on time, if you ignore it, you may actually destroy your engine, and we'll explain why in multiple ways guys. Now, we'll demonstrate on that BMW 5 Series, but actually we'll work on multiple BMW models guys that use gasoline or diesel engine. So, let's start on it now. So you wonder guys, what are the symptoms of bad valve cover gasket? We're going to demonstrate here on that BMW. Let's explain what we have here specifically guys. If we come on this side, okay, this is a valve cover gasket. You see, this is the gasket itself, and that gasket consists of multiple components on most modern vehicles. This is the outer gasket for the valve cover. Those are inner gaskets for around, let's say, few injectors or ignition coils, and you may have individually 4 of them on 4-cylinder engine, 6 or 8 on 8-cylinder engine, and this is where guys the high pressure fuel pump is located, because most of the newer vehicles will use high pressure fuel pump, and you even have some O-rings as well. Now, let me show you what we guys have here. This is the engine. We remove the upper engine cover so we can see everything. And some of the first things that you're going to start noticing is oil leaks guys. And oil leaks can come from multiple places. Now, you can see what we have here. Check this thing out. All that is leaking valve cover gasket, okay, and all that is leaking oil guys. And the exhaust on that car is on this left side right here. So if you look guys, okay, that's the valve cover. You see where it's leaking, all that drips on the exhaust. So you're going to smell burning oil smell. So oil leaks, burning oil smell is number 2. Next, they can start leaking from multiple places. Okay, check this one towards the back. Okay, all that oil will get on your wires and connectors, and when that happens guys, for instance, this is for the variable timing, if those get wet and contaminated with oil in the camshaft position sensors, it can affect the engine, where you may get engine codes for sensors that are bad that are actually not bad. Another thing, that oil can eat your wires guys. Okay, it can make the coating on the wires soft and disintegrating. Next guys, okay, the next symptom that we see here, sometimes you can see right there, okay, check out all the oil going towards the spark plugs, right? Okay, when you have oil leak, it can cause guys where those holes fill up and you may start having misfires. Those misfires will be caused because you have oil in the spark plugs, and that misfire guys will cause, okay, all kind of troubles. When the engine misfires, it doesn't burn the fuel, it goes in the exhaust. When that fresh fuel goes in the exhaust not burnt, it will ignite in the catalytic converter because it's super hot. So it can cause damage to the oxygen sensors. You can burn oxygen sensors, which are very expensive, or destroy your catalytic converter in no time. And if you keep driving with a misfire, it can destroy your engine too. Now, if not fixed on time, okay, valve covers will start leaking substantially. And when that happens guys, okay, what you need to do, you need to keep checking the oil quite often. If you forget, okay, to check it, you may run your engine out of oil and you can destroy your engine guys in a few minutes, since it's out of oil, practically even seconds. So some of the most common things that we see: burning oil smell, because oil will be dripping on the exhaust, visual oil leaks, misfires, okay, loss of oil. Those are some of the most common ones guys, and you may get other codes and problems as well, because connectors could be contaminated. We'll have videos on the channel how to replace valve cover gasket step by step. Check it out, okay, if you need help with anything like that guys, but those are some of the most common things we see here at the garage. One very important thing when you replace a valve gasket on your BMW guys, okay, we ordered the original ones, okay, you can see BMW group right here. Originals gasket, we noticed that when serviced correctly, you replace them correctly, use the right type of engine oil, they last anywhere around 100 to 130,000 miles on most BMWs. Some could be less, some could be more. Aftermarket gaskets, some work, some do not, guys. Some we had a problem where we had to actually replace the gasket, we still had a leak. Maybe a little bit less leaking, but still leaking. Those, or some of them will fix the leak for only like 20-30,000 miles and they start leaking again. So guys, use good quality gaskets and make sure you prepare, clean the valve cover and everything else where that gasket will be sitting so everything can seal correctly. Now, make sure you use the correct type of oil. If you use the wrong type of oil, that can cause early damage to the valve cover gaskets as well, and not just that, it can damage your engine too. Make sure you use BMW approved engine oil. Hopefully guys, the video will be helpful. Guys, we will have probably more than 2,000 to 3,000 free repair videos on BMWs, anything from 3 Series guys, okay, and up. You can see videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Subscribe to our YouTube channels, guys. We have information that can save you a lot of money. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.